Hello lovers of bookies fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be styling, curling and customizing this week. Literally doing a turn up on this week from boring to classic body. So here's one little tip on how to curl your hair, apply your heat protector and apply your wax, and you slant your comb. Use the iron to slick that hair down, not the comb, the iron, and you have your hair looking like this. Look at that. Perfect, right? I know. You're welcome. Now we're going to pin that hair down so we don't rip our lace, and so it's perfect to work. And here's what I'll be using for my heatless curls. And let's get into it. So first I'm going to apply curl. I'm just going to massage the hair. There was a glitch in the matrix there, but whatever. So now we're going to push that hair down, and then we're going to pat that hair. Use your product mixture, and you're going to apply on the hair, and then you're going to twist and wrap around your flexi rod. I always like to make sure I'm detangling as I go down because the hair is stubborn at times and I want the curls to be perfect. So yeah, so you're going to twist and you wrap, twist and you wrap, exactly as I'm doing. You can't get it wrong. So that's it. Comb, twist and wrap, twist and wrap, and just follow the process. So I'm using this method because of the kind of curls I want, which you will see at the end of this video. And you can use your eco gel to put at the tip of your hair if your hair is maybe rough, so it can smoothen it out. But mine wasn't rough. I just wanted to show you how to use your eco gel to get the perfect tips when doing heatless curls. So yeah, so after doing that, you're going to bend that coil over and secure the end of your hair so it stays in place. So that's basically it, as you can see. And here it's halfway done. And we're done. So guys, see you in 3 to 4 days time when we are going to unravel this beauty and style and customize and do everything. So guys, 3 days later, let's take out these coils, this flexi rod. So you're going to apply your hair oil, and you're going to apply on your hair after you unravel. So we are done. So I'm going to put my holding spray on my comb, and I'm going to comb it out. So after combing out our curls, I'm going to apply holding spray just to keep the curls intact. And here's what our wig is looking like. So I still went in with some styling, hot comb definitely. So here's a week after installing. I forgot to do a proper video on this. So thanks for watching. Bye.